Hi, my name's Renee. I'm a research assistant at the CHEAR lab. I'm going to show you how to make an easy kale salad. Kale's not a vegetable that people go to a lot, but I'll show you a way to make it taste really good. What we're going to need for our ingredients is kale, which looks like this. It has what I call a spine, which you need to cut off to get this. You need a third of a cup of toasted almonds. Let me tell you, they're easy to burn, so be careful. I have an apple and I put a little lemon juice on it just for a little taste. That would be and the medjool dates, which you can buy at the grocery store. And then I usually buy pitted, and then it's easier to cut up. So that's the salad portion. The dressing portion is honey, olive oil, and salt. So what I'm gonna do, you cut the stem off. You just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Then you put it in your bowl. I always rinse off everything I get from the grocery store, by the way, because I think that's healthier. So we'll have this. What we're gonna do for the dressing is it calls for 1/8 of a cup of honey, 3 tablespoons. So, 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna get all the honey I can out of there. So you add the honey together with 1/4 of a cup of olive oil that I already have ready. Put that in there. And then just a pinch of salt. Okay. And then you mix this all up. I'm going to show you the trick to making kale less bitter, because it is a bitter taste. So what I do next is I pour, this little spatula guy helps. Pour the honey dressing on there. Okay, now get ready. It's gonna blow your mind. To make kale less bitter, if you want to put a glove on for your family, you can. But what you do is you massage the kale for about 2 minutes. It's gonna get darker and it's gonna get smaller. You know how spinach cooks down a little bit smaller? So does this. So I'm not going to go the full 2 minutes, but you get the idea. Let me wipe my hands off. Okay, simple. You add the dates. You add the nuts, the 1/3 cup of nuts. You add the apple. I used Granny Smith just because I like it. And then you take it, toss it up. It's quite pretty. Little different colors in there. You have the brown almonds, the white apples, the green kale. And you know what? When you eat vegetables, it seems to make it more appetizing with more color. So, and again, I just let this sit for a little bit just to kind of marry it all together. And there you have a beautiful healthy kale salad.